best about today was really the openness of the presenters. It was incredibly engaging to hear from so many people with diverse experiences who were willing to share their stories, including very intimate parts of their personal lives and how it impacted them. I think it's incredibly powerful to hear the voices of lived experience in this context.
I really liked the fact that we could participate and explore the aspects about diversity and inclusion. And I also really felt that the ability to engage us in doing that was very high, particularly given people telling some of their lived experience and encouraging us to reflect on our lived experience and how the two are very different.
I think this is really a unique training package. It does give you a really amazing mix of the evidence about this topic of inclusion and diversity, and it also gives you that evidence directly from people who are experiencing what it's like coming from diverse backgrounds and diverse perspectives and experiences of not being included. And so I think it brings together, I really liked that bringing together of the heart, the feelings, the head, thinking and then actually doing, because I think when we've got those three things working together, we can achieve so much more.